Border wall construction, some local organizations expressed concern over how this would impact wildlife in our borderlands. But research from the University of Arizona gives some hope.
Over the last 15 years, the Wildcats Research and Conservation Center has gathered hundreds of detections of 4 jaguars in the Sky Islands mountain regions, just south of Tucson. And their most recent detection was last week.
13 News reporter Raya Torres spoke with the director of the program and shows us that with every detection, there's more that meets the eye.
You can see this one right here, which is above it right here.
We've all heard the phrase, "A picture is worth 1,000 words." That's especially true for the University of Arizona Wildcats Research and Conservation Center, which has gathered 220 detections of jaguars in our borderlands over the last 15 years.
Jaguar is also not meant, this was number 1, we called this one number 2.
Susan Malusa, who leads the Jaguar and Ocelot Monitoring Project, has devoted years into looking at jaguar populations, specifically on this side of the border. That's because jaguars are incredibly rare, and the predators play a valuable role in the ecosystem near the border.
It has to be well balanced. It has to have predators that help regulate the prey species that are on the landscape. It's exciting when we have a jaguar detection. They are an apex predator.
Apart from the data gathered from dozens of their trail cameras, they also gather DNA samples from the area to better understand their habitat, movement, and behavior. So far, they've detected 4 jaguars in the southern Arizona landscape, their most recent one spotted in July and August.
This new southern Arizona jaguar, which is south of Tucson, is the newest jaguar on the landscape.
Since the only jaguar breeding population in this region is in Mexico, their presence in southern Arizona means that they are moving north in spite of border wall construction, which some animal advocacy groups have argued has inhibited animal migration.
Because there's still gaps. Yeah. And so a border barrier, a border wall, that would completely impact the flow of wildlife, the movement of wildlife going across the border.
Malusa says that jaguar migration used to go as far north as the Grand Canyon, and it has significantly decreased over the last few decades. That is why she and her team of 45 citizen scientists remain committed to this research, in hopes that this data can help land managers understand the importance in keeping these regions open for animal migration.
Well, I hope people take away from this is what goes behind one photo. So we've collected millions of images. Each photo is a data point.
Reporting from the U of A, Raya Torres, 13 News.